What's up, AI enthusiasts, and welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. We're kicking things off with a bombshell from Bain and Company. Their partner and AI leader, Rapoport, is revealing how they're moving beyond just plans to real action with GPT-5, transforming client engagements and driving unprecedented value. Get ready for the future of consulting. Next up, we're heading to Moderna, where head of AI products and innovation Brice Challamel is declaring that GPT-5 is ushering in a second computing revolution. Discover how they're empowering scientists to code in plain English and accelerating drug discovery like never before. This is innovation at its finest. Then, we've got a massive showdown in the AI arena. Baidu has just launched its ERNIE X11 model, and they're claiming it rivals the benchmarks of OpenAI's GPT-5 and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro. We're breaking down what this means for the global AI landscape and who's leading the pack. And finally, we're tackling a crucial question: how much AI use is acceptable in research? We're diving into a fascinating discussion sparked by Kelly Truelove, using ChatGPT-5 itself to explore the ethical boundaries of AI in philosophical research, with insights on the Telos test, Sunlight Clause, and Authorship anchor. It's a debate you need to hear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Bain and Company's bold GPT-5 strategy, moving from plans to action. Are consultants about to become AI whisperers? Bain and Company, a titan in strategic consulting, is proving that artificial intelligence, particularly the advanced capabilities of GPT-5, is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's the engine driving immediate, tangible client results. Rapoport, partner and AI leader in the private equity practice at Bain and Company, recently illuminated this seismic shift. He stated, "The key unlock with AI and GPT-5 is that we're spending more time with our clients on moving from plans to action. This isn't about theoretical models. It's about deploying AI to accelerate implementation and deliver value at an unprecedented pace." Bain has integrated AI deeply, creating a powerful internal ecosystem that doesn't just assist consultants, but fundamentally redefines their engagement with clients, moving from analysis paralysis to decisive execution. Rapoport highlights GPT-5's enhanced nuance, enabling consultants to grasp complex business contexts with greater sophistication. This means AI-generated insights are more tailored, more precise, and more impactful for each unique client challenge. Coupled with its improved performance, meaning speed, consultants can iterate faster, explore more scenarios, and dedicate their human expertise to higher-level strategic thinking and client interaction. Bain isn't just using AI, they've built dozens of proprietary applications and deployed nearly 25,000 custom GPTs, embedding AI into the very fabric of their operations. These aren't off-the-shelf solutions, they're bespoke AI agents, infused with Bain's proprietary knowledge and methodologies, acting as true thought partners. For instance, an value creation ideation assistant for IronGate uses GPT-5 to rigorously test existing strategies and generate novel ideas, complete with rationales and next steps. The impact is clear. Consultants are shifting from foundational research to strategic advisement and implementation guidance. For founders and VCs, this signals a critical blueprint for enterprise AI adoption, emphasizing customization, proprietary data, and a culture of AI-augmented workflows. Rapoport concludes that the speed of GPT-5 and the high-quality output is going to enable people to get more value out of the tool, amplifying human expertise for better, faster, and more decisive outcomes. But is AI's impact confined to consulting? Prepare to be amazed as we reveal how another industry is experiencing its own AI-driven revolution. Next, we're diving into how Moderna is leveraging GPT-5 to spark a second computing revolution in biotech. Moderna ignites a second computing revolution with GPT-5. Get ready for a paradigm shift in biotech. Moderna's head of AI products and innovation, Brice Challamel, believes GPT-5 is igniting a second computing revolution, fundamentally changing how science and business intersect. This isn't just about efficiency, It's about democratizing advanced technical capabilities. Challamel explains how scientists, even without coding backgrounds, can now generate sophisticated algorithms in plain English. Imagine explaining your research needs and receiving production-ready code in minutes. This capability shatters traditional bottlenecks, allowing subject matter experts to directly translate their domain knowledge into powerful computational tools, drastically accelerating research and development. Beyond code generation, GPT-5 is a strategic powerhouse. During executive briefs, it instantly surfaces critical information on competitive landscapes and regulatory requirements with remarkable accuracy and depth. Challamel notes its analysis is so precise it can be shared directly with leadership, enabling faster, more informed strategic decisions in the fast-paced biotech sector. For instance, a scientist needing to visualize complex data or create a new manufacturing dashboard can simply describe it in natural language and get a tailored program in minutes, fostering rapid iteration and experimentation. Challamel emphasizes that GPT-5 is much better than any other model I've seen so far, particularly in generating clean, functional code. This makes it not just a linguistic tool, but a capable software engineer, translating abstract needs into concrete solutions. The true excitement, however, lies in the unknown. Challamel's anticipation of unknown unknowns points to GPT-5's emergent capabilities, suggesting its potential to solve problems we can't even imagine yet. Moderna's journey shows AI empowering the entire workforce, reshaping workflows, accelerating innovation, and blurring the lines between scientific inquiry and technical execution. From biotech breakthroughs to a tech titan's challenge, the AI race is heating up. Next, we're looking at how China's tech giant Baidu is entering the ring, with a model claiming to rival GPT-5 itself. Baidu launches ERNIE X11, challenging GPT-5 and Gemini benchmarks. The global AI leaderboard just got a shakeup. Baidu, China's leading internet and AI company, has officially launched its upgraded inference model, ERNIE X11, making bold claims about its performance. At the Wave Summit, Baidu's CTO Wang Haifeng revealed that ERNIE X11 not only rivals leading US models like OpenAI's GPT-5 and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro in benchmark tests, but also surpasses recent updates from competitors like DeepSeek's R1. This announcement signals an intensified competition among major tech players to develop the most advanced and capable large language models. While specific benchmark results and methodologies are still being scrutinized by the wider AI community, the mere claim of parity or superiority against established models like GPT-5 and Gemini indicates significant progress in Baidu's AI development. ERNIE models have consistently been a focus for Baidu, aiming to integrate advanced natural language understanding and generation capabilities across its vast ecosystem of products and services, from search to cloud computing and autonomous driving. This move by Baidu underscores the rapidly evolving landscape of AI development, where innovation cycles are shortening and competition is fierce. The ability to achieve comparable or superior performance on standardized benchmarks is crucial for market perception and adoption, especially in enterprise applications where reliability and cutting-edge capabilities are paramount. The implications for the broader AI market are substantial. Increased competition can drive down costs, foster greater innovation, and lead to more diverse and powerful AI tools becoming available to businesses and consumers worldwide. As these models continue to advance, their integration into everyday technology will only deepen, shaping how we interact with information and digital services. But beyond the benchmarks and model releases, there's a critical conversation happening about AI's role in our most intellectual pursuits. Next, we explore the ethical tightrope walk of using AI in philosophical research. The ethical tightrope, AI in philosophical research. Can AI be a co-author in philosophy, or is it a forbidden oracle? A fascinating discussion, sparked by Justin Weinberg and amplified by Kelly Truelove, uses ChatGPT-5 itself to explore the ethical use of AI in scholarly research. Weinberg posed the crucial question: how much AI use is ethically acceptable in research, cautioning against applying student standards to scholarly work. He outlined AI's potential roles, from brainstorming and editing to argument checking and even co-authoring, and debated which are permissible. This prompted Truelove to ask ChatGPT-5 to develop its own ethical guidelines for philosophical research, resulting in 3 key norms. First, the Telos test insists that AI use must serve philosophy's core aim, the articulation and assessment of reasons. Uses that enhance clarity, map arguments, or test premises are encouraged, while those that replace interpretive labor or outsource responsibility are discouraged. The key is whether the human author can defend every claim and inference made, ensuring accountability. Second, the Sunlight Clause promotes disclosure as the default. Researchers should state which AI systems were used, for what tasks, and how outputs were audited. This transparency is vital for trust, critique, and credit assignment. The more generative or content-shaping the AI's assistance, the fuller the disclosure required, ensuring responsible integration. Third, the authorship anchor redefines authorship not as owning words, but as assuming epistemic and ethical responsibility for arguments. The human author must remain answerable for the core arguments, regardless of AI assistance. This shifts evaluation from tool usage to intellectual accountability, ensuring that genuine progress, not just polished prose, is recognized. These norms aim to protect understanding, originality, and accountability, offering a nuanced framework for AI integration. The discussion highlights the ongoing challenge of balancing AI's powerful capabilities with the fundamental integrity of scholarly inquiry, prompting critical reflection on how we define and evaluate intellectual work in the age of AI. From the cutting edge of AI models to the very ethics of knowledge creation, we've covered a lot of ground. Now, let's do a lightning-fast recap of today's top stories. And that's a wrap on today's AI news. We saw Bain and company masterfully integrating GPT-5 for actionable client strategies. Moderna is sparking a second computing revolution, empowering scientists with GPT-5. Baidu launched ERNIE X11, challenging the top AI models. And we dove deep into the ethical guidelines for using AI in philosophical research. Don't miss out on the next wave of AI innovation. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on social media for even more insights. We'll see you in the next video.